What a beautiful secret spot that we have found here. The turtles, they do come talk to you.
Most people come to the North Shore for the food trucks and the famous waves, but they stopped driving too soon. We kept going until the road literally ended. This is the hidden spot of Mokuleia. If this place looks familiar to you, well, this is where they shot the first episode of Lost, where the plane crashed. There is something special on going to movie scenes locations, but the reality here is even more intense than the show. It is silent, empty, and honestly a little surreal. We drove 1 hour from Waikiki to find this paradise. So why is this beach completely empty while the rest of the island can be kind of packed? If you're new here, we're Bird and Lada from Earth for Living, and we share amazing experiences, tips, and favorite places. You absolutely need to check it out. With that, like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Let's go. So we have finally made to a secret spot that not a lot of people come. Like, the beach is pretty much empty. No one really knows about it. Also, you definitely need a car to come here. So if you come to North Shore, you're gonna find a beach called Mokuleia, which is already beautiful enough. But for that one, you gotta park like on the street and find the beach access. It's a bit tough to find because it's kind of hidden, you know. There are a lot of dead ends. But if you go a bit forward next to where, you know, people jump from parachutes, kind of almost to the tip edge of North Shore on the left, you're gonna find a secret spot, and it's just a bit above Mokuleia. It's amazing. But yeah, we just parked here, and you know, can't wait to check out the beach. This is also a kite spot, kite surf spot. Kite surf's here in the back, but not sure if there is enough wind right now. Another really good tip here in Oahu and Hawaii is that you mostly will need a car. Public transportation it's good, you know, the buses will take you to places. Renting a car is definitely ideal. Try to find a good car in your budget. We got the mystery car at budget actually, and initially they got us a Dodge Ram, which it was huge. We couldn't even park on the hotel, so we drove back to the airport and we're like, hey, we cannot drive this car here. It's incredibly huge. And luckily they got us this Mustang convertible. So yeah, we're so glad we have this car because it's small. You can park pretty much anywhere. Oh, last thing, if you want to know the exact spot of this location, let us know in the comments. I will drop you the Google Maps location. So yeah, let's explore this beach. what a beautiful secret spot that we have found here. Like literally no one comes around. Well, it's only us. The water is amazing. There are a lot of reefs. The turtles, they do come talk to you, which is amazing. And look at this crystal water right there. It's just that maybe like in the afternoon it might get some windy. Last time we came here it was chill, like no wind at all, but right now there is some wind, not enough for like my kite surf, but you know, it's a beautiful spot to come over, see, enjoy nature, maybe just by yourself. So if you want to know where this place is, leave the comments below. We'll send you the precise location, but don't tell anyone, okay? Keep it between us. Another travel hack, really important to know, is buying a watermelon so you can, you know, just eat it. Instantly becomes a natural juice.
Just keep hydrated.
Keep hydrated.